In this video, we'll show you how to replace the front fender liner on your Ford Edge. This is located in the front of the vehicle and behind the wheel. Let's get started. With the vehicle raised and supported, we can remove the lug nuts with a 21 millimeter. And we can go ahead and remove the wheel. Starting on the front side of the vehicle, we have 6 5.5 millimeters that we need to remove. Moving inwards on the vehicle, we have 2 8 millimeter bolts we need to remove. It looks like this front one is broken, but we can certainly remove this one right here. We normally have a clip up top here. It looks like that broke off at some point. To remove that, you just use a flathead screwdriver, pull the center part of the clip out first, and then the outer part. Now we have 2 10 millimeter plastic nuts that we can remove. Now we have 3 plastic clips holding our mudguard on here. I'm using a clip tool, but you can certainly use a flathead screwdriver for these. Going from the fender liner to the front bumper, we have 2 more 5.5 millimeters. Towards the back of the fender liner, we have 2 7 millimeters. Now we can start to work the fender liner out from the front, working up to the top. Now we can slide the back part out from behind the mudguard, and we can remove the fender liner. We can get our 3 plastic clips in the mudguard. We can get the 2 7 millimeter screws in the back. In our case, the 2 studs on the back side broke off, so I'm going to go ahead and use a washer and a self-tapper to re-secure this. And we're going to do the same with this stud over here. We can install the screws into the front side of the fender. We'll reinstall the wheel. And we we can line up the lug studs with the holes in the wheel. I'm going to press in down at the bottom of the wheel. We can install the lug nuts. I like to thread the first one all the way in, and that'll help hold the wheel in while I put the other lug nuts on. And we'll snug those down in a star pattern. With the vehicle on the ground, we can go ahead and torque these to 162 foot-pounds in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.